just be. Don't take it. Take it, just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get.
It is Sunday and it is Family Fun Day, and we are here at Fort Lauderdale Beach.
My weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen.
So it is practically day 2 of our wedding celebration, y'all. So we're waiting for my aunt and all them to come here because we wanted to do a beach lime before everybody heads out and go back home and everything like that. So I love Fort Lauderdale Beach over Miami Beach just because it is home essentially. When I was younger, we always came to Fort Lauderdale Beach, especially like me and my girls. Whenever we wanted to come and hang out, we always headed up Fort Lauderdale Beach. So it's home. I love it. I feel like I'm back as a child, y'all. Y'all don't even understand right now. It is a breezy day here at the beach, and Pretty Pigeon is ready to go into the water.
Been ready.
I know you've been ready, so we're going now. Yes.
Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please the maker. Then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah.
Yo, that water is no joke. It is rough out there. But honestly, I prefer when the waves are rough like that because it's more fun. When the waters are calm, it's a little bit boring.
Hard working every day. I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts. Wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah, yeah. Make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away. You and me go to our favorite place. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, with
The vibes in Fort Lauderdale Beach is always lit. Look at people just jamming music everywhere. Litty! Unfortunately, our boombox is not working.
Tiny done broke the box.
I didn't break no box. It's just not working. Now we can't. You be quiet over there. Yo, my child does never pick up for me. It's ridiculous. And they break the box. So now we're trying to find a boombox so we can blast some music. Everybody jamming.
Are you ready now? We jump on a plane now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. Don't hesitate now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come down. We're going away. Yeah, we're going away. You and me. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, with you. Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, with you.
Yo, these kids are so smart. They're literally makeshifting their own water slide. Crazy.
Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. In Hawaii. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low.
It is the same one we went on. What is it called? Anthem of the Seas. Anthem of the Seas, yeah, Royal Caribbean. We're supposed to be leaving y'all and we still can't leave yet. We're still out here holding the vibes. Like, seriously, we can't leave. But the reality, that's how it is. That's why I love the Fort Lauderdale Beach, because people just lying. You understand? We've been here from since morning. It's like almost 6 o'clock and we're still here. The kids are sitting in the car and we're still here.
Every time you say we're staying 10 more minutes, that's it.
If I
So yeah.
told you to wake me up when you're done talking, I would never wake up.
Alright, bye. Have a good
Bye,
week.
Abigail.
Bye! I swear Miami is the craziest airport to travel through. So we had to check our bags. We had to go to zone 5. So we walked all the way from 1 to zone 5 just to check from 3. We were from 3 to 5, whatever. It's a long walk nonetheless, okay? To check our bags. So now we're like, okay, the gate is right next to the door. Where's TSA pre-check? She's like, oh, you gotta go all the way to zone 1. What? You mean to tell me I have to go back and forth just to... Oh my gosh. I'm like, I might as well just go through that line, but the checkpoint is so long, so I'm like, it's all right, kids. We're gonna walk to zone 1 and get it over with.
In the morning, you got me up, all cause you need to talk. To 4 in the evening, wanna break up, say that you've had enough. I'm tired of talking, again and again, argue about everything.
We have made it back home to Texas. We're in Austin. We have an hour to drive to go back home, but it is what it is. It's cool. You guys, I hope you guys enjoyed our Miami, Fort Lauderdale area vlog. I hope you love seeing our family, or my family, I should say, and how we like to go on and carry on back. All right, you guys, so you've made it this far. You might as well just go ahead and click that like right there. Like, just like the video. You already made it this far. And I'm trying to get more engagement on the videos. And so I want to do like a comment for the day. So if you've made it this far to the video, go ahead and just in the comments write, Trini's can lime. Yes, let's redo that. So the comment for the day is Trini can lime. If you made it this far in the video, comment Trini's can lime, y'all. I also hope that this video has inspired you guys, or we inspire you guys to just live life to the fullest, guys. Just live life to the fullest. We only have one life to live. There's no sense in like wishing and coulda, shoulda, woulda. Just do it, okay? If you want to travel, travel. If you want to cruise, go on cruises. Enjoy life. See what's out there in the world, because you don't know what's out there unless you go out and see it for yourself. So, as always, you guys, thank you for watching, and we will see you guys in the next one. Love you.
You are my darling. This kiss and make up, I know you wanna touch. You call me every night, call me every day. I just wanna get you alone now. Trust me when I say we gon' be okay. We just gotta boom bada boom ba. I don't wanna fight, you know that I'm right. Baby, let me talk to your body. We gon' be okay, hear me when I say, if you need me, I'm gonna be by your side. If you want me,